Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Push on the sides of the glove box to lower it, then detach the glove box. Pinch the bottom tabs and pull down to remove the housing door. The OE filter use basic directional arrows, which is why the filter and housing say up. Our filters and most aftermarket filters will use what is called an airflow indicating arrow, which should be pointed down. Align the top tabs and press inward to secure your housing cover. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Raise the glove box. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.